सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्न गुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसु पूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। संख्या अद्यतनी कक्षायाः संख्या चतुस्सप्तत्युत्तर-चतुश्शततमी 474th क्लास। गतकक्षायां नवमः श्लोकः अस्य वाङ्मयावगाहिन्याः भर्तृहरि शतकस्य सप्तश्लोकाः पठितः। सप्तमः श्लोकः पठितः अस्माभिः, क्षम्यतां नवमः। अद्य दशमः श्लोकः पठनीयः वर्तते। श्रीनिवास श्लोकः पठ्यताम्। स्वर्गात्
पशुपतिशिरस्तः क्षितिधरं
उत्तंगाद्
अवनिमवनेशश्चापि जलाधिम् अधोगङ्गेयं पदमुपगता स्तोकमथवा
विवेकभ्रष्टानां भवति
विनिपातः
शतमुखः। शिरः शार्वं स्वर्गात् पशुपतिशिरस्तः क्षितिधरं महीध्रात् उत्तुङ्गाद् अवनेश्चापि जलधिम् अधोधो गङ्गेयं पदमुपगता स्तोकमथवा विवेकभ्रष्टानां भवति विनिपातः शतमुखः। शिरः पदच्छेदं करोमि। शार्वं स्वर्गात् पशुपति शिरस्तः क्षितिधरं महीध्रात् उत्तुङ्गात् अवनिम् अवनेः च अपि जलधिम् अधः गंगा इयं पदमुपगता स्तोकम् अथवा विवेकभ्रष्टानां भवति विनिपातः शतमुखः। In this poem, actually, the subject udaharana example is given, that of Ganga. Ganga coming down from the heaven and going to Patar Loka at the request of the Bhagiratha. Ganga was not originally available on Earth planet, according to the story. When the Bhagiratha, to wash the sins and to promote the 60,000 ancestors of Bhagiratha who are lying in ashes in Patal Loka. So this Bhagiratha had to request Ganga to come, and Ganga accepted only if somebody bore the pressure, her pressure, and for that he was advised to go to Shiva. Shiva was prepared to take the plunge of Ganga from heaven on his head, and Ganga was very, very arrogant of that nobody would bear her pressure. Even Shiva, she thought would take Ganga, thought Shiva, she would take Ganga in her flow, Shiva to the Patal Loka. Shiva would not be able to take her pressure. She thought like that. So that arrogance was put down by Lord Shiva. That is what is Ramayana story is there in the beginning, Balakanda itself. 43 will refer to that. Parichayam kurmah Srinivas. Shiraha. Sharvam. Swargat. Pashupati Shirastaha. क्षितिधरम उत्तुंगात कारण
sorry, Mahidra.
Mahidrat,
Ukarantapullinga Panchami Ekvachanam Vishesha Samastapadam.
Uttungat,
Ukarantapullinga Panchami Ekvachanam Visheshana Samastapadam.
Visheshanam. Avanim, Ikaranta,
Strilinga Didya Ekvachanam.
Avani.
Ikaranta Strilinga Panchami Ekvachanam.
So Avanim, Dvitiya is there, immediately Panchami is there. Cha Avyayam, Api Avyayam, Jaladhim.
Ikarantapullinga Didya Ekvachanam Samastapadam.
Yes, Jaladhi. Adhodha.
Avyayam
Adaha, Adaha.
Adaha Avyaya Padadvayam.
There are two avyayas here, Adaha, Adaha. Ganga.
Akaranta Strilinga Prathama Ekvachanam.
Sarvanama Shabda, next coming. Iyam.
Idam Shabdam Akaranta Strilinga
Prathama
Prathama
Ekvachanam,
Ekvachanam
Sarvanama.
Sarvanama.
Padam.
Akaranta Napumsaka Dvitiya Ekvachanam Vishesha Padam.
Upagata.
Akaranta Strilinga Prathama.
Actually it is Ktanta, Upasarga, Gam Dhato, Ktanta, Parantu Atra Akaranta Shabdatvena Svikruta. So it is taken as Akaranta, but we will see that analysis. Athava Avyayam, Viveka Bhrashtanam, Stokam,
Akaranta Napumsaka Dvitiya Ekvachanam Visheshana Padam.
Athava
Avyayam.
Bhavati, Bhu,
Viveka Prasthana Shashti Bhagavati.
Viveka Bhrashtanam.
Bhavati Bhu iti dhatu lat pratham purusha ekvachanam.
Now you know Bhu belongs to Bhuvadigana, Prathamagana, Bhavati. The first verb that comes in the Ganas, we have explained, Dashaganas. Vinipataha, Akaranta Pulling Prathama
ekvachanam vishesha padam.
Shatamukaha.
Akaranta Pulling Prathama ekvachanam visheshana padam.
Sorry. Akansham Shamaha. Upagata Nama Prapta, reached. Got to. English Bhashayam, got to, reached. Ka Upagata, who reached, that is. Yam,
Iyam Ganga Upagata.
this Ganga reached. Yam Ganga Kasmat Upagata, this Ganga reached from where?
Iyam Ganga Swargat Upagata.
So this Ganga reached from the Swarga, heaven. Yam Ganga Swargat Kim Upagata, what did this Ganga reach from Swarga?
Iyam Ganga Swargat Shiraha Upagata.
This Ganga reached from the heaven onto the head, Shiraha, reached unto the head, Shiraha. Kidrusham Shiraha Upagata, what type of head did she reach?
Sharvam Shiraha Upagata.
Sharvam Shiraha Upagata. She reached the head of Lord Shiva. Shivasya idam, that is a derivative, Taditanta, I think you will get it here. In Samas also it is explained here. Sharvasya idam Sharvam. Sharvaha Shivaha. Sharvam Shivam. Sharvam nama Shivam. Shivasya Siraha Upagata. It reached the head of the Lord Shiva. Pashupati Shirastaha Kidrusha Bhavana Pashupati Shirastaha Sharvat Kam Upagata. From the head of the Pashupati, Shiva is also called Pashupati. From the head of Shiva, that is Sharvat Kam Upagata, what did Ganga reach?
Pashupati Shirastaha Shitidharam Upagata.
Ganga reached from the head of Shiva, Shitidharam, the earth. From heaven to the head of Shiva, from Shiva's head to the Bhuloka, the Prithivim Upagata, Jaladim. Oh, Jaladim here? No, Mahidra. Kshitidharam, sorry, I am looking here. Kshitidharam Prithivim Upagata iti. Uttungat Mahidrat Kshitidharat Kam Upagata. Oh, sorry, Kshitidharam is mountain here. Little this thing. So from the head of Shiva, it came to the mountain. So Uttungat, the high Mahidrat mountain, from the high mountain, that is Kshitidharat, Kam Upagata. What did Ganga reach from the high mountain? Then your reply.
Uttungat Mahidra avaniम् upagata.
Here Mahi, this Kshitidhara, Kshitim Dharati iti Kshitidharaha Parvataha. It holds the earth. No, whatever may be the expanse of the mountain, mountain is a rock, isn't it? So that land is very stable. It is not loose. Land below the mountain is not loose. It is very intact. Like they say, ocean takes over the land if there are no plants and mountains. If you go on eliminating plant life, then the earth will be diminished in size. Earth will diminish in size because sea corrosion of water and erosion of land will be there. In the absence of the trees, trees are they hold the land also, like the mountain. So that is how it is called. Kshitim Dharati iti Kshitidharaha. That is a mountain. Nagaha, we have another Paryaya pada. Nagachati iti Nagaha. Right. Uttungat Mahidrat Kam Upagata. Uttungat Mahidrat Avanim. Avanim nama Prithvim. Avanehe Kam Upagata. From Avani, from the earth, where did it go? Reach rather?
Avanehe Jaladhim upagata.
From the earth it reached the ocean. Jaladhi. Kshitidharat Mahidram Uttungat Mahid. Avanim Avane Jaladim. Iyam Ganga Kim Upagata. This Ganga reached what again?
Iyam Ganga Padam upagata.
She reached the position. Padam now position. Iyam Ganga Kidrusham Padam Upagata. This Ganga reached what type of position?
Iyam Ganga Adhodhaha Stokam Padam upagata.
This Ganga, Iyam Ganga, this Ganga, Adho Adaha, lower and lower, below. Stokam, Alpam, Nicham. Stokam nama Nicham. Padam, Sthanam, Upagata. It reached lower and lower and low position. From Swarga to the head, from head to the mountain, from the mountain to the earth, from earth to the Patal. Upagata bhavati. So, adaha. Iyam Ganga Kidrusham Padam Upagata. Iyam Ganga Adhodaha Stokam Padam Upagata. Bhavati becomes. Kim bhavati? What becomes?
Vinipataha bhavati.
Vinipa, fall, downfall. Downfall takes place. Kidrushaha Vinipataha bhavati. What type of downfall takes place?
Shatamukhaha Vinipataha bhavati.
Downfall in 100 ways. Shata Mukhaha, nama Shatarupi. Shatadha, Shatarupi Vinipataha bhavati. 100 types of downfall takes place. Shatamukaha Vinipataha Kesham bhavati. To whom does this downfall in 100 ways take?
Shatamukaha Vinipataha
Viveka Brasthanam. Atra Viveka Brasthanam Buddhi Hatabuddhinam Nashtabuddhinam Purushanam Shata Mukhaha Vinipataha Bhavati. Atra Asmin Sloke Kova Tatra Hatabuddhihi Viveka Brashtaha Kava Viveka Brashta Asti. Asmin Sloke Ganga Viveka Brashta Asti. Gangayaha Vivekaha Brashtaha Asiditi. Ganga Swayam Chintitavati Tasyaha Vishaye Aham Swargat Avashyam Agachami. Yadi Shivaha Mam Dharati Shirasi Targi Shivamapi Svikrutya Patalam Gachami iti. Sa Chintitavati. Parantu Shivaha Yada Ganga Swargataha Apatat Shivasya Shirasi Shivaha Tasya Shirasi eva tam Dhrutavan. Tam Gangam Tataiva Dhrutavan. He did not let Ganga fall for a long time from his head. She was made captive, they say. Ganga was निगृहीता, गंगा निगृहीता शिवेन तस्य केशेषु। अनन्तरकाले तत्र पुनः भगीरथः गत्वा तत्र शङ्करं प्रार्थितवान्, भो शङ्कर, इयं गंगा मया प्रार्थिता, पातालमानेतुं भवान् तत्र किमर्थं तां बन्धीकरोति इति। Then from there, from the request of this Bhagirath, again Shiva let her loose. She came down, she went. So Ganga's arrogance was taught, she was taught a lesson by Lord Shiva. That is what he says at the end, Viveka Prashtanam Shatabakaha Vinipataha Bhavati, Vinashaha Bhavati iti. So there is one story, when we go to that I will tell you. Ramayana poem is that Achintayatcha sa Devi Ganga, Achintayat cha sa Devi Ganga Paramadurdhara. She thought that she was highly impossible to hold by anybody. Paramadur dukkena dhartum shakyati. Durdhara. It was very difficult to hold her pressure when she falls from heaven down to the earth. But there was a man required. So Shiva accepted to take her pressure. So she thought, what can Shiva hold me? She thought like that. Achintayat cha sa devi ganga parama durdhara vishamyaham. Vishami aham, vishamyaham, yanadisha sandhi, hi patalam. Aham patalam vishami, pravishami. Vishami na pravishami. Vishamyaham hi patalam. I will enter the patala. Srotasa, mama srotasa, Gangayah srotasa, with my flow. Vishamyaham cha patalam srotasa. Srota shabda is sakaranta pullinga, napumsakalinga. Like manasa, srotasa. Gruhya Shankaram. Gruhya Shankaram. Taking Shankara with me. Let Shankara hold me, let me see. That is how she thought. So when Shiva left Ganga from his Jata Mandala, then it only came down. So they say, after, Shiva held Ganga for quite some time. So again there was a chaos. The purpose was not solved. Bhagirath was again, he did tapasya to please Shiva, again requested him, so he obliged. When Shiva let her, the Ganga flew in 7 ways. So that is why it had 7 flows. Hradini, Pavani, Nalini. Hradini, Pavani, Nalini flows name. These went towards the eastern side. Then Suchakshuhu, Sita, Mahanadi. These 3 flows, Suchakshuhu, Sita, Mahanadi, these and Sindhu. Mahanadi, Sindhu. There are 3. Suchakshuhu, Mahanadi and Sita. Sita, Mahanadi, Sindhu. These 3 flows, name by name, they went to westernwards. 3 started flowing in the eastern direction, 3 started flowing in the western direction. 1 went with Bhagiratha. The 7th flow, which Ganga split into, went along with, accompanied the 7th one, went with Bhagiratha. 3rd stream or the 7th stream. And it went in this southern direction by Bhagiratha. So that is western rivers Sindhu, eastern rivers Nalini. And some people have identified Sindhu is western river. Eastern rivers are Nalini, also called Brahmaputra. The 3rd stream, southernwards, led by Bhagiratha, was Ganga. That is how it is given in the Ramayana, Balakanda, 43 sloka. I have quoted this. So, Anvayartham, Srinivas.
Iyam Ganga Swargat Shardam Shiraha Pashupati Shirastaha Shitidharam Uttungat Mahidhrat Avanehacha Api Jaradhim Adhodhaha Stokam Padam Upagata Athava Viveka Brashtanam Shatamukha Vinipataha Pavati.
Iyam Ganga, you can understand this. Idam Shabda, Makaranta, Iyam Ganga. Swargat Sharvam Shiraha, Shivasya Shiraha. Sharvasya Shiraha, Shiva's head. Pashupati Shirastaha. Shiva is also called Pashupati, Pashunam Jivanam Patihi. Pashupati Shirastaha, from the head of Pashupati, Kshiti Dharam, to the mountain. Uttungat Mahidrat, from the high mountain, that is Himalaya. Avanim, to the earth. Avanehi, from the earth. Also Jaladim, to the ocean. Adhodaha Narakam. Stokam, sorry. Adhodaha, like that, below and below. Lower and lower. Stokam Padam, Nicham Padam, lower position. Upagata, reached. Athava, otherwise, it is rightly said, Viveka Bhrashtanam Shatamukaha Vinipataha Bhavati. Vinipataha Shatamukaha Bhavati. Viveka Bhrashtanam. Like we say, people who have lost their Viveka, Sadasad Vyakti Viveka, those who cannot distinguish between what is right and wrong, for them downfall is 100 ways. There is a scope that they will have fall in 100 ways. Like there is a famous quotation, we say, Vinashakale Viparita Buddhihi. That is also there, I think, in somewhere, Mahabharata or somewhere it comes. Na hemamayo kurang, na drishtapurvaha, na srutapurvo drishtapurva, something like. Hemamaya kurangaha. Hemamaya kurangaha. Neither a golden deer was heard before nor seen by anybody. They say it. Na drishtapurvo, na srutapurvo. I am sorry, I am not able to recall. But the summary is this. Neither a golden deer was seen nor heard by anybody. Na srutapurvo, na drishtapurvo, something. Hemamayaha kurangaha, a golden deer. Tathapi, still, lulube, tathapi lulube ramaha, lulube ramaha. Even then Rama felt greed for that. Rama felt the desire to have the golden deer, which was neither seen by anybody nor heard by anybody. So in that context they say, Tatapi lulube ramaha vinashakale viparita buddhi. When the time of once bad time comes, the buddhi fails. Something like that here. Viveka Brashtanam Shatamukaha Vinipataha Bhavati. So Padartham Srinivas. Padarthe Sarvapratamam Iyam. Iyam means Esha. Iyam Makaranta Shabda, Esha Etat Shabda. Tama Ekavachanam. Iyam Esha. Ganga. Ganga nama Bhagirati. Bhagiratasya. Iyam Bhagirati. Yeah, then you can take Svargat Bhagavat Shankara Sambandhihi. Devalokas. Khyamyatam. Svargat Devalokat. Svargalokat athava. Sharvam Bhagavat Shankara Sambandhihi, relating to Lord Shankara. The word is explained in the next page. Sharvasya idam shashti tatpurusha sharvam. Shiraha mastakam. This is Sakaranta Shabda, we have already noted. Pashupati shirastaha. Shiva mastakat. Shiva mastakataha. From the head of Lord Shiva. Pashupati mastakataha. Kshiti dharam. Himalaya parvatam. Just like I gave you Kshitim dharati iti Kshiti dharaha. Like Bhudaraha. Bhumim dharati iti Bhudaraha. It is also explained as Kshitehidaraha later. Kshitidaraha, page 70. Kshitidaram Himalayam Parvatam Uttungat Ati Unnatat. Uttungat Nama Ati Unnatat. From a lofty, high position. Mahidhrat Parvatat Himalaya. That is Parvata here referred to is Himalaya. Panchami Avanim.
पृथ्वी तलम
Avanim Prithvi Talam Bhutalam. Avanehe from Avani Prithvi Talat Chapi Chapi, same thing Chapi, and also Jaladhim
सागरम
Jalam Dharati iti Jaladihi Tam Jaladhim. So these are all Krudantas. Then Adhodaha. Adaha, Adaha, it becomes Sandhi, Adhodaha. Nichair, Nichai, low and low, lower and lower, you can say. Stokam, Tucham, Nicham, low, trivial. Low position is better than trivial also, okay. Padam,
स्थानम
Upagata, Vyapta, Prapta also, reached, Prapta also, you can say. Spread or reached, both are same. Because this is water, na? So spread also is Prapta, Vyapta. Athava,
यतो
because Viveka Bhrashtanam,
सत असत ज्ञान रहितानां
that is what Viveka is. Sadasad Jnanam is Viveka. So people devoid of or lacking the power of discrimination between the good and the bad. Shatamukaha Bahuvidaha. Shatamukaha nama Bahuvidaha. Now Shata here does not mean only 100, having 100 ways, Srinivas. Shatamukha does not mean 100 ways, but Bahumukaha it is. Bahuvidaha, Bahumukaha only. Having many ways, hundreds of ways you can say. Like we have this all Sahasra Sirsha Purushaha Sahasrakshaha Sahasrapat. There Sahasra does not mean only 1000. The Almighty God does not have exactly 1000, because you are saying Sahasra, Sirsha. He has thousands of heads, thousands of eyes, thousands of, that means innumerable actually. In the same sense we have to take the Shatamukaha, Bahumukha. Vinipataha Patanam
पतनं
Bhavati
जायते
Sambhavati Jayate. So Bhavartam Pashyamah.
भगवती गंगा स्वर्गात्
शिरसि
ततः हिमाद्रौ ततो धरण्यां ततोपि जलनिधिं गच्छन्ति क्रमेण नीचैः नीचैः गतवती.
Okay. Bhagavati Ganga, the goddess Ganga, Swargat from the heaven, Shiva Sirasi to the head of Shiva, Tataha from there, Himadrau, that is Parvataha, Himadrau, onto the Himalayan mountain, that is Kshitidaram. Then Tataha, Himalayat Dharanyam to the earth, Tatopi from the earth, Jalanidhim to the ocean, Gachanti while going, Kramena gradually, Nichaihi Nichaihi Gatavati. She went low and low, lower and lower position, traveled low and low. Tataiva Viveka Bhrashtanam Unnatebhyah Kramashah. That is Tathaiva Viveka Bhrashtanam Jananam Purushanam Unnatebhyah Padebhyah Patanam Nicha Kramashah Bahuprakarena Bahuvidaha Bhavati. Patanam Bahuvidam Bhavati, Bahumukam Bhavati, Anekadham Anekadha Bhavati, Bahuprakarena Bhavati. So that is what it is. So what is important in life is Viveka. That is why you should read Viveka Chudamani to know what is Viveka. I must have told you Viveka is not there, but Smruti's Buddhi and Prajna difference. Smrutihi Gata Vishaya. Smrutihi Gata Vishaya Agamini gochara buddhihi. Buddhi, intelligence is always about the future. You should have a futuristic plan how things are going to be. That is what we call have a vision. Vision and mission nowadays everybody talks about. Our vision is this, our mission is this. Unless you are clear in your vision, you cannot have a mission. So, smrutihi gata vishaya, buddhihi agami gochara, prajna traikaliki matha, traikaliki mata. And prajna is that which a person having prajna is wisdom, a person of wisdom can think of the past, present and the future. That is the highest thing, prajna. Prajnavan, buddhiman, smrutiman. So this is the difference. But viveka is a faculty of the brain where it is nicely put, sadasad vyakti viveka. That is what is right and what is wrong, what is permanent, what is impermanent. Kim sat, kim asat, kim satyam, kim asatyam. What is prama and what is pramada? What is right knowledge and what is wrong knowledge, etc. So for them this is a good example. Hindi Anuvada we don't touch. Now there is a small mistake here, Srinivas. Ganga river comes comes down from heaven on the sheet of everything is okay. Then third line you see, what is the third line? The earth, Himalaya on the earth, and from the earth in the ocean, into the ocean, not in the ocean, into the ocean. So this little small mistakes, then we will pass on to them. Nidarshanam Srinivas. Mahidhrat Uttungat.
Mahidhrat plus Uttungat Jastva.
Sure. Uttungadavannim.
Uttungat plus
Jastva again. Jastva. Now they can also make out. Avanescha.
Avanescha, avanes plus cha, avanescha.
Shutvasan. Chapi. Adhodha, adaha, adha, visargasandhi. Or purva rupa sandhi also. Gangeyam.
Ganga plus yam
Gunasandhi. Gangeyam. A similar word is there, Gangeyaha. Gangayaha putraha, Puman putraha, Gangeyaha. So Gangeyam. Samasa. Oh, many, five samasas. Sharvam.
Sharvasya idam shishti.
Tatpusha. Pashupati shirastaha.
Pashunam patihi pashupati shishti tatpusha. Pashupatehi shiraha pashupati shiraha. Shishti tatpushani. Tasmat pashupati shirasta. So Pashunam Jantunam iti na Pashunam Jivanam Patihi, Lord of all the living beings. Pashupati Shiraha, the head of the Pashupati. Pashupati Shiraha, Shashti Tatpurusha. And from Tasmat Pashupati Shirastaha. Shirastaha. Shirasaha. If you take Shiras Shabda, Shirasaha. Shiras Sakaranta. Shirastaha. From the Tasil is there at the end. Shiti Dharam. Shiti iti dharaha. Sorry, dharati iti dharaha.
Dharati iti dhara. Krudvrutti.
Shite iti dharaha. Shiti dharaha. Shiti tatpusha.
Tam.
Shiti dharam.
Now this krudvrutti means formation of words from roots, dhatus. Some nouns, some words are formed from the dhatus. They are called krudvrutti. Like this. Dharaha is a word now derived from what? The root verb dharati iti. Bhavati iti bhavaha. Dharati iti dharaha. Pibati iti paha. Pibati iti paha. Padapaha. Padaihi pibati iti. Vrikshaha iti. So these are called krud. Vritti. Vritti means a complex explanation. There are 5 types of vrittis spoken in Vyakarana. One is krud vritti, which is words, formation of words from root verbs. like dharaha, etc. Then tadita vritti we are seeing nouns derived from the formation of derivative basis from nouns by secondary affixes. Then dhatu vritti is there, that is formation of derivative verbs from primitive roots. That is a complex subject. Then samasa vritti, what we are touching slightly, like tat purusha we are dealing, bahuvrihi we are dealing, that is called samasa vritti, means explanation, exposition of samasa. That is also one vritti. Vritti is a name given to complex name to formation, explanation of the general. It is a general term used in Vyakarana. They will say they for any complex formation we use vritti. Krudvritti, tadita vritti, samasa vritti, like that. Ekasesha vritti. And there is one more prakriya called ekasesha vritti, where one word remains and other word is elapsed, goes down. So like that, 5 vrittis are spoken of in Vyakarana. We are not very detailed going into that. So here reference has come, therefore I am telling. Mahidraha is also like that, which is not given I think here. Mahim dharati iti mahidraha. So the dhru, ka and then vowel becoming ra, there is a change, I think that is why it is not given there. So Kshitidaram. Viveka Brashtanam, Srinivas next.
Vivekat Brashtaha Viveka Brashtaha Panchami Tatpurusha Tesham Viveka Brashtaha.
Vivekat Brashtaha, fallen from the Viveka. Viveka Chutaha Nama. Viveka Brashtaha Tesham Viveka Brashtaha. So I was quoting just now, I said, maybe you did not listen properly. Na nirmito na duštapurvo vai he haimamaya kurangaha. I am not coming out very fluently that sloka. No, neither anybody saw nor heard about a golden deer. Tathapi still lulube, tathapi lulube Ramaha something. Rama still felt greed for such a kind of animal. Vinashakale viparita buddhihi. That is how it is. Vinashakale viparita buddhihi. So when once vinasha comes, his buddhi becomes viparita. Buddhi becomes viparita. Whosoever vinasha is at, I think it is there in Mahabharata when second time the Dharmaraja was asked to play gamble by Duryodhana. At some time, I think somewhere it is quoted. I am not very sure. Let me not spend much time. Kudanta Srinivas. Kshitidaraha. Kshitidaraha. The holder of the earth. Kshitidaraha. That is mountain. Mountain. As I told you, mountain holds the earth. Jaladihi.
Jalani dhiyante
Sthapyante
iti jaladhihi.
Dha ki. Ki pratyaya. So, jalani dhiyante, waters are held there, reservoir. Jaladihi means ocean. Jaladihi. Upagata, upasara, gamiti, tanta, very easy. Brashta.
Brashja iti dhatu tanta.
No, actually it is not. Brashja is to fry. Brashja, what is given here is, which means to brujjati, brushta. The tanta becomes brushta. Actually it is brahmsha. Brahmsa or brahmsha. From brahmsha you get tanta as brahmsha plus kta, it becomes brashta. Brashta means fallen. Brahmsha dhatu. Brahmshate, bhuvadigana, atmanipadi. Brahmshate, brahmshete, brahmshante. Ramate, ramete, ramante, like. To fall, brahmsha to fall, etc. It is also there in Divadigana, 4th class. Brahmshyati, brahmshyati, brahmshate, brahmshati. These two forms are there. Here it is by mistake given this. Brashja is Tudadigana, 6th class, where it derives in the Latlakara, brujjati. Brujjati means fries. Fry, Angla Bhasha. So this is not that correct. So we take Brahmsha. Brahmsh plus ta, Vinipataha.
वीति उपसर्ग नीति उपसर्ग पतिति
That is very simple. Tatitanta dvayam Shirastaha.
शिरः प्लस तस्य
Tasil. Sharvam.
सर्वस्य इदं शार्व प्लस अण
So Sharvam earlier came as Samasa. Sharvasya idam Shashti Tatpusha. Sharvasya idam, that is Shashti Tatpusha. Sharva Ana Pratyaya, you get Sharvam. Then Chandas, Srinivas, Shikarini. We have already seen na Shikarini. Shikarini has come already. Okay. Ashtama Slokasya Vivarana Samaye Vivarana Avasare Lakshanam Dattam. It is already given in the 8th poem. Now Kosha Sharvam
ईश्वरः
Sharva Ishanaha Amarakosha. Ishte iti Ishvaraha, one who controls. Sharvaha Sharvaha, these derivations, time permits, no? Not of. But I will give you in the next class, these derivations. Some of the derivations. Then what is there? Shirsham. This Shiraha, sorry, next one, Shiraha. Uttamangam.
शिरः शीर्षम् अमरकोशः
That is Amarakosha, will explain later. Pashupatihi.
शम्भुरीशः
Shambhurishaha.
पशुपतिः शिवः शूरी महेश्वरः
Pashupatihi Shambhuhu plus Ishaha. There are two words here. Shambhuhu plus Ishaha, Shambhurishaha. Pashupatihi Sivaha Shuli Maheshwaraha. So these are all Amarakosha. Mahidrat. Gotra. Kuhu Prutivi, Prutivi, Kshama, Kshma, Medini, Mahi. So many are there for earth. Gotra is there. Gotra. Gotra means Shailaha. Somehow I am not in a mood to explain today. I will pass on that. Gotra means Shaila, Parvata. Kuhu is another name for Prithvi. Prithvi in Prutu, that is there. Prithvi is Prithvi, both are almost same. Kshama, Kshma also same. Medini. Medini is there. Mahi is there. I will show you the derivation. Maybe in the next class we will show by slide. Then Abhyasa Srinivas. Slokam Purayat.
शिरः शार्वं स्वर्गात् पशुपति शिरस्तः क्षुतिधरं महीध्रात् उत्तुङ्गात् अवनिम् अवनेश्च अपि जलधिम् अधोधः
Gangeyam.
गङ्गेयं पदम् उपगता स्तोकम् अथवा विवेकभ्रष्टानां
भवति
भवतीपादः शतमुखः
Shatamukha. Slokasya Padachedam, that you can do. Third one, Slokasthani Akaranta. Strilinga Pratamaika Vachara. I think two are there. Akaranta, Strilinga, Pratamaika Vachana. What are they?
गंगा
Yeah, one is Ganga.
अपगता
Padam Upagata actually. Any more proper, that is only verb, but. Yeah, that has to be taken. Ganga and Upagata. Upagata is Visheshna Padam actually. Then Adhonishanam Lingam Nidha. Okay, Linga Nirdharanam. Ganga Strilingam. Sharvam Pullingam. Chittidaram Pullingam. Shiraha Napumsa. No, Shiraha Napumsa. Shiraha Napumsakam. Iyam, this is pronoun. Sarvanama Shabda. Iyam. How many Strilingas are? One more is there. Strilinga it is. Yam Ganga. Yam Ganga iti. You are forgetting Idam Shabda. Ayam Imau Ime Pullinga. Ayam Imau Ime. Strilinga Yam Ime Imaha. Yam Ganga. Ime Gange. Imaha Gangaha. Yam Nadi. Ime Nadi. Nadyau. Imaha Nadyah. Napumsake idam ime imani. Idam pustakam. Ime pustake. Imani pustakani. So that is Iyam is Strilinga. Vinipataha finally Pullinga. So there is actually in previous lessons we had some wrong printing of this gender. Maybe they are also confused while giving the answers, options. Vigraha vakyani likata. Okay, Sharvam. Sharvasya idam. Vigraha vakyam. Arishashti tattva. Sharvasya idam. Pashupatihi. Pashupatis shirastaha. Pashunam Pashupatihi. Pashupatehi shiraha. Pashupati shiraha tasmat. Stiraha. Shitidharam. Shitim dharati iti kshitidharaha tam kshitidharam. Kshitehe dharaha or kshitim dharati. Kshitim is there, kshitehe dharaha. What is given here? Kshitehe. Kshitehe dharaha, the holder of the earth. Viveka bhrashtanam. Tesham viveka bhrashtanam. I am reading in a different way, this looking at this word viveka, just fanciful derivation. Vi visheshena wake, English wake. Yes, fanciful derivation, that is. So especially be alert here. Viveka means be very alert, wake, be awake, be awake. Especially be awake is something, viveka, fanciful derivation. Okay, Sandhi Vichidya Nikata. Mahidrat Uttungat. Uttungat. Avanescha. Avanehe plus cha. Chapi. Gangeyam. Ganga iyam. Sandhim kuruta. Uttungadavanim. Adhodha. Adhodha. Visarga purva. Munescha. Sapi. Savarna. Sapi. Rekankita padasya sthane paryaya padam. Okay. Ganga Swargat Shivasya Shiraha Upagata. Ganga Swargat Maheshwarasya Shankarasya. Another Shankarasya. So Maheshwarasya Shankarasya Sharvasya. Sharvasya also you can take. So 3 are over. Viveka Bhrashtanam Vinipataha Shatamukha Bhavati. Viveka Bhrashtanam Pataha Shatamukha Bhavati. Viveka Bhrashtanam Nipataha Shatamukha Bhavati. Any word is given here? Nipata? No synonym, na? We did not come across. Very simple. Vinipataha, pataha, nipataha. Okay. What is we are doing, Srinivas? Vinipataha. Vi is upasarga, ni is upasarga, pata is dhatu, dhatu utpannaha. Pata iti dhatu pata. Then we are removing vi, saying nipataha. We are removing vi and ni, then saying pata. So, the 7th one is Visheshana Vishesha Yojanam. Uttungat Mahidrat. Stokam Padam. Stokam Tucham Padam. Shatamukaha Vinipataha. Shiraha Sharvam. Sharvam Shiraha. Shatamukaha Vinipataha. Stokam Padam. Uttungat Mahidrat. Koshtakhat Samuchitam Padam Svikritya Riktasthanam Purayata. Ganga dash Shiraha Upagata. Sharvam Shiraha. Yes. Pashupati Shirastaha. Shitidharam. Third one. First one, third one. Mahidrat dash Upagata. Avanim. Shatamukha dash Bhavati. Vinipataha Bhavati. Sagaraha na Bhavati. Urshaha. Samichinam Asamichinam. Ganga Akashat Vishnum Upagachati. Asamichinam. पशुपति शिरस्तः गंगा भूमिं प्राप्नोति, गंगा अवनेः जलधिं प्राप्नोति, अवनेः जलधिं, यस सत्यं, सज्जनानां विनिपातः भवति, असमीचीनं वा या असत्यं असमीचीनं समीचीनं, सो सज्जनानां विनिपातः न भवति, केवलं विनष्ट बुद्धीनां, देन शब्दरूपाणि पूरयेत। शिरः शिरसि शिरांसि, प्रथमा प्रा मीन्स प्रथमा, स्वर्गात् स्वर्गाभ्यां स्वर्गेभ्यः, स्वर्गात् स्वर्गाभ्यां स्वर्गेभ्यः पंचमी, पदं पदे पदानि, पदं पदे पदानि, पद शब्द लाइक वनं वने वनानि, शतमुखः शतमुखः शतमुखौ शतमुखाः, विवेकभ्रष्टस्य विवेकभ्रष्टयोः विवेकभ्रष्टानां, प्रथमा इयं गंगा, इमे गंगे, जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड इयम इमे इमाः, दिस इज इदम शब्द मकारांत त्रिशुलिंगेषु वर्तमानः अयं, सो स्त्रीलिंगे इयम इमे इमाः, इमे comes in napumsaka also, idam ime imani, but in the context here Ganga is there, so you should know both, idam ime imani, iyam ime imaha, ayam ime imau ime, and this ime which is dvivachana is bahuvachana in pullinga, so be careful there. श्लोकस्य सारांशं संस्कृत भाषया लिखत। शिवस्य शिरः स्वर्गात् पशुपतिः शिरस्तः क्षितिधरम्, एषा गंगा इयं गंगा स्वर्गात् शिवस्य शिरः, तस्मात् क्षितिं पर्वतं, तस्मात् पर्वतं, तस्मात् उत्तुंगात् पर्वतात् भूमिं, भूमेः चापि समुद्रम्, अधो अधः नीचं पदम् उपगच्छति, अथवा विवेकशून्यानां भ्रष्टानां च्युतानां विवेकच्युतानां विनिपातः अनेकधा भवति, शतमुखः भवति। वेरी सिंपल श्रीनिवास, सारा you can also tell me, try to do that in 3 lines, you can finish. इयं गंगार एषा गंगा स्वर्गात् शिवस्य शिरः, शिवस्य शिरस्तः और शिवस्य शिरस्तः, पशुपति कैन रिमूव, एंड शिव शिरस्तः पर्वतम, उत्तुंगात् पर्वतात्, उत्तुंगात् महीद्रात् पर्वतात् भूमिं, भूमेः च अपि समुद्रम्, अधो अधः नीचं पदम् उपगच्छति, अथवा विवेक भ्रष्टानां नष्टानां च्युतानां विवेकच्युतानां नष्टानां शतमुखः अनेकधा विनिपातः निपातः भवति। Very simple. There is nothing more than that. शिखरिणी वृत्तस्य गणान् निदर्शत. Okay, what are the ganas here? Where, which page you are reading?
56.
Acha, 8th poem. So Yagana, that is Lagu, Guru, Guru, Magana, Magana, three Gurus, Nagana, three Lagus, Sagana, Lagu, Lagu, Guru, Bhagana, Guru, Guru, Lagu, Lagu and Guru. That they can write. Please copy from the page 56 into this Shikarani Ganan Nidirshita. Evam asmakam mayam dashamah slokah सुसम्पन्नः भवति। एकः अंशः तस्येषः अस्ति कोशस्य विषये। कोशम् आगामिनि कक्षायां दर्शयामः। शुभं भूयात्।